Hi guys, it's Sandy here, and today I'm doing a little review and look of the Reversal Planet eyeshadow palette by Beauty Glazed. Now, for those of you who have not heard of Beauty Glazed, I specifically chose to buy a palette from this brand because they are known for producing 9-pan eyeshadow palettes, which can be considered a dupe of the Huda Beauty 9-pan eyeshadow palettes. Now, I was incredibly shook by that everyone was going on that the Beauty Glazed 9-pan eyeshadow palettes are just so amazing, they're just so pigmented, and even other palettes from this brand is just so good, high quality. And here's the catch. It is a Chinese brand. These palettes are made in China, and this 40-pan eyeshadow palette was 120 rand, and I think shipping was included. So I was a bit skeptical, but I saw a lot of videos on YouTube with people using these pigments, and you can hardly tell the difference between the performance of the Beauty Glazed pigment as well as the Huda Beauty pigment. So this palette does have 40 colors. I will be doing a close-up of the shadows as well as some swatches under natural lighting, so you can get a real idea of the performance of these pigments. And I mean, from the swatches alone, I was really shook. If you do want to see how I did this super easy look using literally one makeup brush, because all of my other makeup brushes were dirty from the previous video that I filmed, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just going to start off with my ABH eyeshadow primer. Just watch me use the same primer in every single makeup video I use because it's the only good primer that I currently own. You really need very little of this primer, so it should last me a really long time. And then for my trusty washi tape, since I'm wearing red today, I think I'll try and go for some sort of red look. I think I'll go in with khaki. Oh, I mean, this is quite nice. Yeah, it's a decent amount of pigment going on. Oh, it's a really nice color. It's a brownish red. So many different colors in this palette. I really liked this blue that's in here, but I feel like all the videos using this palette uses the blue, so I was like, you know what, let me just try and use the red to be a bit different. With a bit of rust, see if that does anything. Yes, I'm using the same brush, don't judge me. Oh wow, yes, it is doing something. That's good to know. shook. I mean, I literally paid 120 rand for this. Okay, you know what? I actually don't have a clean brush, so I'm gonna take the same brush and go in with a bit of black on the corners of my eyes. So I'll just take a bit of black. Then I'm going in with a bit more primer on my eyelid. Okay, this is like super messy, but like whatever. Oh jeez. It's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna fix this. Okay, there we go. It's like nothing ever happened. How do you guys without hooded eyelids feel? How does it feel to be God's favorite child? Then I'll go in with a bit of ruby on the eyelid. Now you know what? Let me just use my finger. Okay, yes, that's like way better. I mean, even on the back of this palette, they recommend using your finger for the shimmer colors. So, ooh, that's quite nice. Quite nice indeed. Just like the same brush that I used to put on literally every other color and just like freaking blend those edges out. Okay, then I think I'll take a bit of Mars and put that over the shiny red. Oh, that's quite nice. Oh my gosh, I could hold off posting this video and post it closer to Valentine's Day and call it a Valentine's Day look. Oh my gosh, I'm a genius. Like this? Can you hear me? If I post this video on the 14th of Feb, I could call it a Valentine's Day look because it's red.
Yeah, true.
I'm not looking forward to taking this glitter off my eye. This really is quite nice. Then I think I'll do a bit of ivory on the inner corner. And now my favorite part, taking off the tape. Ooh. Maybe a bit of prune on the under eye with the same brush that I put all the other eyeshadow colors on my eye with. Just go in with a bit of prune. At this point, I'm sure it's like a new color that I'm making on the brush. I am super impressed with this eyeshadow palette. Then I'm just using a bit of this Maybelline mascara. just going to pop on a pair of eyelashes. Okay, this is the first time I'm wearing these eyelashes. They are freaking huge and they are tickling my eyebrows like crazy. Here we have it. This is the final look. This look was super easy to do, and I literally just used one brush to put on all the colors. Ungettable, I know. Some of my final thoughts on this Beauty Glazed palette. Well, firstly, I am incredibly impressed because just look at these colors. They are freaking popping, and this palette was literally 120 rand. I'm so shook. I probably said 121 so many times already, but seriously. I mean, they're quite easy to blend. There is minimal fallout. I think the pressed glitters are really good as well. I think the only catch with this palette is that it's not vegan and cruelty free, which is probably why there's such good color payoff, but it's so cheap. Well, not this palette, but this brand more specifically is worth the hype and definitely value for money. I am really considering ordering other palettes from this brand. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment down below. My socials as well as Douglas's socials will be linked down in the description. Don't forget to join us on our Discord server where we can share memes and just chat to each other. And don't forget to check out my previous videos, which is the Novena Blockbuster or the Novena Volume 1 Pro Pigment Palette review and look. See you guys in the next video. Bye!